Welcome. It's good to be back. Welcome back to Derbyshire, more specifically the BCF. It's been a long time, but it really is good to be home. It was long overdue, so we're up here for a camp tonight. I'm here with my good friends Jay, Sean and TJ. I'm in the hammock. The hammock needs the dust blowing off it because I've not used that in years, literally years. Must be 3 years, easily. That C word, pre that time. Most of this video is just going to be me like, it's good to be back. That sort of vibe. We'll come and say hello to an old friend, or what remains of an old friend, the spider tree. I mean, it's probably been about 6 years or something like that, but I'll put an image on screen now of the time when I slung my hammock up in that tree. I'll also link in the description of the video the 10-year anniversary video that I did here, which is probably 5 or so years ago now. Those that have watched the channel for a while recognise this place. The Bushcraft Forest, as it once was, that we started coming up here in our early 20s, came up here as kids, but then we had to leave it. If you watch the 10-year video, you'll see why. We won't labour that point. We'll keep this one positive. It's good to be back, and it's going to be a really good night. There's no doubt about that. So last night, Jay and I met up with Steve and Wayne, and we went to the old Poets' Corner at Ashover, and it was a really good night. And we probably did drink a little bit more than we should have done, because this morning I feel like death. And on the drive over, I was like, oh God, I kind of faced that hill, the sprint up that hill. But yeah, that's what I needed. I needed that kickstart up the steepness of the climb here. It got the body working again. The boys are just figuring out who's going to hang their hammock where. What are you saying, Jay?
The perfect spot. I'm thinking this. Between these two and just get rid of this here.
Yeah. That's the one, mate. How are you guys doing?
Very well, thank you. Yeah, we're just seeing who's doing what and where, and we're
trying to look for a nice flat spot for me.
This is Sean's first visit to the BCF.
Yes.
What a place, eh, mate?
What a place and what a hike up.
Yeah. That view takes some beating, but you really do have to earn that view by marching up that hill.
Yeah, you got to earn it.
Yeah.
It don't get any easier though.
No, it doesn't.
And I didn't cry on the way up.
No, well done. Well done. I've got a few more grey hairs, but the kit doesn't change. Trusty old Osprey bag. DD hammock, DD tarp, Alpkit Pipe Dream 400, something like that. Should keep you nice and toasty this evening. Watch the dust come off it. And yes, I've still got these webbing straps. I need to upgrade to the whoopee slings and all that sort of combo. Ta-da! The flying bin bag. We're not expecting much rain tonight. There's a chance there could be a little bit of drizzle, so I thought I'd put the tarp up, and it's makes it nice and cozy as well. Low slung tarp, as I usually do. A bit higher at that side so I can get in and out. We're going to have the fire over there, but it's good to be here. It really is. And up here so early as well, considering it's now December the 18th or 19th, something like that. So we've not got a great deal of daylight, which is a real shame, but that's why we thought we'd come up here and make the most of it while we can. Who knows when I'm going to get a chance to edit this video. I've got maybe 4 or 5 before this, so we'll get round to it. This view never gets old. It really doesn't. Glorious Derbyshire. I'll try and get over this way without falling to my death. Ooh, I mean, that was close right there, wasn't it? But I'll keep that in because we like to keep it real. So we're fast approaching the end of 2023, and what a year it's been. If only I'd got up to date with my videos. I mean, by the time you'll see this one, you'll have seen the ones before, so you'll have seen some of the places that the job has taken me to this year. Probably one of the greatest years of my life when it comes to adventure. All my kit is covered in desert from Namibia, which was a few weeks ago now, 2 or 3 weeks. 53 degrees in the Namib desert. That was crazy, but it was fun. I was sleeping in the back of a Ford Ranger, looking up at the stars. It was amazing. What an experience. And we had Kyrgyzstan in July and August, a month out there in the Tian Shan Mountains. That's a place I never ever thought I would visit. And when I got the job with Beyond the Ultimate and the Spine Race, didn't even know where Kyrgyzstan was. So I must admit I had to check that on Google Maps. But this place is equally as special. If anything, more special. Some great memories here over the years. This is TJ's setup, and that's what I need to convert to. And now, swing. No, not swing! Time to harvest some deadfall, and there's quite a lot of it about, so we're all good.
I think if you want it doing quick, use a silk. If you want it reliable. Get it there, store that bit.
We've had some high winds recently, so there's a lot of deadfall hanging, which is perfect. It's almost 4 PM now, so we're losing light quite rapidly. Before it gets dark, I thought I'd walk up to another section of the woods here and see one of the other locations that we used to camp. Originally, we camped there, where the spider tree is. Before it fell down, it was just the perfect location. Nice little clearing with some spaces around to hang tarps and things like that. But when that tree fell down, we moved up here. Mixture of pine and broadleaf trees, so it does look a little bit bare here at the minute, because it is winter after all. Further down there though, it's nice and sheltered. The wind comes over this hill more often than not, and it cuts right through you, the cold air, at this time of year. So we believe that because there's a lot of climbing goes off on this edge here, climbing and bouldering, various things, so we believe that the landowner and the climbers have cut this rhododendron back, which is really good because it's created a new space and it has an amazing view. But there is still some deadfall, some quite large trees that have gone down, and some rhododendron left, which provides a nice barrier from that wind that comes across the top of the hill.
Bloody nice to be getting up that hill.
Yeah. This might make your eyes water.
Hey.
Yes, we're there.
We've got something.
We're there. Right, sorry about it, guys. I forgot the tripod, and which is Sean's old nickname, and we've just had to just rig some bungees up quick. So it was the most unprofessional. Dino's filming us from
Inception,
above.
mate. Inception.
That is Inception, isn't it? There we go. Right, yeah. Good evening then. Is everyone okay? Bit of music, nice campfire. As you can see, it's burnt through wood like mad tonight. It's crazy. I heard that before. It's nice. It's really nice.
Yeah.
It's time for bed. So it's around about 10 to midnight, something like that. But we've had a really great night. I've not done much filming. I've done much time-lapsing and slow-mowing, but it's been a really great night. We've had a good laugh. Lots of great music played, lots of great conversations had, and now it's bedtime. So I've got work tomorrow morning, so I kind of need to be leaving here at around about 7:15, something like that. So I'm going to set my alarm for 6:30, try and get up, get packed, and then I need to be home in Sheffield for, well, before 9 o'clock, put it that way. So at the minute, it's drizzling. It's been drizzling for the last few hours, to be honest, but not too bad. It's due to get a little bit stronger throughout the night, so fingers crossed we don't get wet. But yeah, it's been good. See you in the morning. Good morning. It's around about 6:45 and I'm packed away and heading back down. Slept reasonably well last night, as I always say. When we say reasonably well, that means I woke up about 50,000 times, but at least it's not 100,000 times. So, reasonable. Got a little bit cold around about 4 o'clock, but that wasn't too bad either. Just gotta navigate down and make it back to the car, or van rather. Well, those of you that watch my videos regularly will know that I have to get this view every time. This is probably the darkest it's ever been in any of their videos. But tradition is tradition. Not far off now. 2/3 of the way back. Do you know what? It was nice to be back out with the camera again. I've done so many camps over this year and perhaps the year before without the camera. And a few reasons. I think, well, the main reason is, like, when I come to a place like this, I've been here so many times before. I love making videos to savour the memories, but also I enjoy the creative endeavour. Trying to get different shots, making the music to go with it, things like that. Trying to make something that I'm proud of. And when you visit a place so often, it gets harder and harder to think of new shots to include. Or, yeah, cheers for that, Garmin, thank you. Ruined the video there. Yeah, I was saying, I think that's why I got behind with my editing, because I was just making videos that I felt were okay. And it doesn't matter to me what everyone else thinks, but I want to be proud of everything that I publish. So I think I just got behind with the editing because I wasn't inspired to put the footage together. But I've got 6 in the bank now. I'm behind for different reasons, good reasons. Life is busy. I'm a very lucky man indeed. So I'm a little bit behind there. But yeah, having worked with some very, very talented people over this last year, it was really great to be back up in the forest and to see it with a slightly different mind. So getting those different shots, or feeling like it was different, was quite easy this time. Yeah, so I'm quite looking forward to putting the video together. I know that if it was all about popularity on YouTube, I could just go to Kinder Scout every weekend and film a wild camping video there, because they're the videos that are popular, but that is not what I want to do. I want to go places, experience things, and savour the memories for myself. Whew. We're back down in the village. Did that in just over 20 minutes. It's probably the fastest I've ever done it with a pack on. Running's different, but yeah, what a great night. Really enjoyed that, thoroughly enjoyed it. Always good to get out with Jay, Sean and TJ. Right, hopefully I'll get this video edited ASAP. It's December 2023 now, so we'll see how we go. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon. Bye for now.